Hi guys, we're here at the Bo's Coffee Capital because they're opening their first ever tribute store, and let's check this out. So hi guys, we're here at the opening of the first ever tribute store of Bo's Coffee here at Capital, and I'm here with...
I'm Carl and I do research and development for Bo's Coffee. I handle mostly the beverages.
So he's behind the new unique drinks of Bo's, right?
Yes, yes.
So what makes the tribute store different?
What makes it different is that it's made from different facets of what we're really doing. So as part of the handcraft that we're partnered with, we're also partnered with social enterprises that's actually working behind everything that we do. So the products that we use, especially the coffee and the teas, comes from certain communities that's fully traceable. So for example, here at the Experience Bar, what we're really doing is we're putting it into life, and what our advocacy is to really introduce those products, not just the items themselves, but the story behind each ingredient.
So here at the tribute store, you have an experience bar, right?
Yes.
So what can we get here?
Well, you have your choice. We have coffee, we have tea. You want different ways how to make your coffee, you want how your tea is made, you can request it all here. We have like signature drinks that you can only drink here at this specific branch, at this specific experience.
Right now I'm gonna ask him one cold drink that's unique here at the Experience Bar.
So I'm going to make you one.
So what is called again?
It's called the Purple Midnight.
So what's the Purple Midnight and what's the coffee? Or is it coffee or tea?
Actually, it's tea. It's made of wild hibiscus flowers and a tea blend coming from Dahilayan Bukidnon, and it's from down to earth. I'm very excited because their products are really good and it's fully traceable.
What do you expect with the Purple Midnight? What notes?
It's made from wild hibiscus, so you get that somehow, it's a flower, but you get that fruity notes. To make it more interesting, we mix it up with a certain herbal tea made of oregano for one, and it has a dash of cocoa sugar to make it a little bit sweetened but good for the health.
Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, very refreshing. Yeah, good acidity, and I really like it. So you offer as well teas here at the Experience?
Yeah, we have 3 teas from Chalaya. Chalaya is a social enterprise as well. They have farms in Calauan, Laguna. For example, our lemon ginger tea and pandan comes from Calauan, Laguna. They also have the Arbensis mint, which comes from Kalami. And they also have this tea blend called Coco Melange, which is made from coconut, pandan leaves, and roasted rice from Funao rice terraces.
So mostly locally grown, huh?
Yes, mostly are locally grown, and we also have 2 from down to earth as well, which is their wild hibiscus, and they have this thing called blue chai, which has blue tea flowers and lemongrass combined together. siphon coffee, and the coffee that I'm going to use is from Benguet. So let's proceed over here to see what's happening now. As you can see, the water has already risen up to the second level. It's going to
Okay.
What makes this interesting is actually this is a cross between two brewing methods. So there's two types of brewing methods. We have the filtered method and the immersion type. Now, the immersion type of brewing is where you put the coffee in the water, let it sit down for a couple of minutes. That's what's happening right now. Once I turn down the fire, there's a certain cloth filter in the middle that will filter out the coffee, giving it a certain unique taste that comes from both filtered coffee and immersion type of coffee brewing. Once it bubbles up like that, it signifies
It goes back down.
Yes.
Okay.
There are different factors that really affects coffee brewing, and one such thing is of course water. Water is actually the one that really dissolves and extracts the flavors of the coffee. So we're using hot water to extract and get those nuances out of the coffee. Now, so when you sip it, when you let it steep down for a couple of minutes there, the water actually dissolves and somehow gets all of those flavors out of the coffee. You do it just a little bit right, not too long, because you're using very hot water in this process. So you have to make sure that you do it just a certain minute, like 2 minutes or so.
Come experience our tribute store here in Capitol.